Hi, this is Chad Hadlock with MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today it's my pleasure to show you a 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. This boat is powered by twin 300 Mercuries, complete with joystick piloting. As we explore the transom, you can see there's plenty of room in terms of somewhat of a swim deck on the edges. There's all kinds of rod holders. You got rockets on the hardtop. It's an incredibly strong hardtop. As you get towards the stern of the boat, you'll see somewhat of the fishing area as well as a seating area. As we can see, to convert to fishing, all you have to do is pull that up and you've got bolster all the way around. You do have a live well under this back seat. Cooler, sink, and cleaning area here. You can see there's plenty of seating. Got a really nice, well-equipped head. Got a sink, vacuum flush toilet. You can see the helm, ready for whatever electronics you decide you'd want to put on it. As you can see, you do have joystick piloting, which not only gives you easy docking ability, but also gives you skyhook and additionally autopilot. As we come to the bow, you'll see this is a really well-appointed boat. Lots of great features. Fit and finish is what you would expect out of a Boston Whaler. This boat has a windlass. This is a tremendous 27-foot version of Whaler's Vantage series. If you have any questions, you'd like to learn more about this boat, or take it out on the water for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at MarineMax. Again, this is Chad Hadlock with MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.